I can't afford this new hat that I like. I need to find a way to make a quick $20 in this game. Ooh, what is this? 5-finger fillet mini game. But I should save first, just in case I lose all my money, of course. How much would you like to wager? Great. Now let's see if you can beat me. Watch closely. Ha! Good luck beating that. Okay, how am I supposed to beat that? Whatever, I'm sure it can't be that hard. Ha! You lost. All your money is mine now. Nah, good thing I saved before doing this. I want my money back. What? There's no way you did that on your first try. You must have cheated or something. I guess you could say that.